Here's how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings on Roblox. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. From the home page that appears, you need to tap on the More icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions and go through all of the sections over here and set this to everyone for who can chat with me, who can message me under communication, and who can invite me to private service as well. Refresh Roblox and try again. Now try disabling the account restrictions. You need to go to Settings, then go to Security. After that, find Account Restrictions. And if you have the two-step verification turned on, try turning it off and then refresh Roblox and try again. Another thing you can do is if your account is under 13, some experiences are age locked. So you can go to Settings, open Parental Controls, disable this monthly spend restrictions, and set allowed experiences 13 plus if possible. And if you can't change age, you must wait or use a different account. There is no safe workaround for this. And some games may require moderate or restricted access, so you need to be aware about that. And on Android, you can try updating the Roblox application from the Play Store. Open Play Store, search for Roblox application, and then after, if you see an update button instead of play, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now try clearing the cache. Tap and hold onto the Roblox application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll all the way down and go to Storage. Then click on Clear Cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also go to Permissions and make sure that you've given all the permissions to this app. And do not use any third-party Roblox mods, and do not use any fake age changes, and do not trust unlock experience websites. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.